Today we're making baked mac and cheese. Oh yeah.
So first we're gonna start by pouring our noodles in some boiling water. You wanna make sure the noodles you get are not bleached and they're not enriched flour. If you can, go ahead and get the noodles. It should just have one ingredient, which is durum wheat semolina. And then we're actually gonna salt pasta water just a little bit and let that boil. We're going to get a saucepan and heat up a few tablespoons of butter and a few tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And we're gonna make our roux. You'll just wanna stir that for a few minutes. So now we're gonna taste our pasta to make sure it's al dente. Yeah.
That's perfect. It's al dente.
And after our roux is done, we're gonna add in our can of full-fat coconut milk. Stir that up. And then we're gonna slowly add in our hand-shredded cheese. You want it to be hand-shredded so it melts really well. And do about 8 ounces of that cheese. All right, once our pasta's done, we're actually just gonna pour it in another pot so it stops cooking. And then now we can actually pour in our cheese sauce. I wanted to mention in that cheese sauce, we also added a little bit of sea salt as well. Stir it up, make sure the noodles are all nice and coated. Taste it, make sure it tastes how you want it to be.
That's perfecto. Oh yeah.
All right, now we're gonna start layering. So we're gonna spread it in a baking dish, a greased baking dish with butter. On top of the layer of noodles, we're gonna add a layer of our hand-shredded cheese. And then we're gonna do it again. Layer of cheese sauce noodles and then a layer of hand-shredded cheese. You want that cheese on top so it'll make a nice crust. And then we'll add just a little sprinkle of smoked paprika on top for a pretty color and a little smoky flavor. So you're gonna let that bake for about 30 to 40 minutes on 375. Look at that nice golden cheesy crust. It is so good.
Oh yeah. I love a corner piece. Just get a little bit here. All right. Cheers. My God, this is so good. This is a perfect dish, shareable. Everybody's gonna love it and ask you to keep making it again and again. Guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Check out more videos like this or like this. Eat well, be well, and I'll see you next time.